Today's communications landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace. It's nice to know that your service provider is making it easy for you to keep up. Our business offering allows you to take advantage of a broad portfolio of services. Each of these services delivers useful functionality by itself. But more importantly, these services are designed to work together so you experience more intuitive, more collaborative, more integrated communications. This demonstration will introduce you to some of the highlights of our business offering. You can run this demo in autoplay mode to just sit back and watch it like a video. Or you can click on an area of interest to go through the demo at your own pace. Click Watch to introduce the module. In sections where you see an icon labeled Try, there are interactive elements that allow you to experience aspects of the service in greater detail and hands-on. Begin with a simple premise. A well-designed communication service should be easy to implement and even easier for your employees to learn how to use. With a hosted business solution, you'll never need to manage separate networks for voice and data again. One line can be plugged into your network to enable voice or data or both. What's on the other end of that line? A wealth of business-class applications that are available à la carte and on demand. These applications reside in the Service Cloud, along with all your contacts, messages, systems preferences, and settings. This makes it easy to extend your service across new devices, add new employees or new locations, and enable remote workers to be more connected and productive. What's the user experience like? It's personal, so you can decide how to get the most out of your communications service. Whether you're a remote worker, a frequent flyer, an administrator, or, like many of us, all of the above depending on the day. Hosted Communications encircles you in a rich suite of complementary applications that bring together all your communications tools and devices. It's designed to grow with you, whether you work at a small business, a multi-campus enterprise, or somewhere in between. Comm Portal delivers advanced features for telephony and messaging across multiple devices and environments. There are many ways to access and interact with Comm Portal, making it intuitive and easily adaptable to your work style. Want to listen to your voicemails on the web or have them automatically sent to your email? Set up a one-number service that can locate you on any of your devices. Unify your voicemail accounts. Prioritize certain callers or send others to voicemail. Comm Portal makes it easy. Business phones have always offered a powerful assortment of features, but today we enhance the power of an industry-leading phone with the intelligence of the network. This means that your business phone is smarter than ever. For example, now you can access your personal contacts and messages directly from the screen of your phone without having to open a web browser or even turn on your PC. This also means that setup has never been easier. You can provide new and remote workers with a fully functional phone right out of the box, or set up a hot desk at your office for guest users. And all your employees enjoy an entirely visual interface for programming their phone's soft keys that they access through the same familiar web portal they use for all their communication services. The soft phone may have started out as a residential application, but it's rapidly become a business tool that professionals rely on every day. The problem is that the residential soft phone was never really designed to meet the needs of the business world. We've changed that by making your soft phone an integral part of our complete hosted business platform. It's truly a unified communications client. This integration makes it possible for mobile phones and PCs to become office extensions, accessing the same valuable services such as 4-digit dialing, auto attendant, and automated call distribution from your PC or mobile device. Ready for business quality video chat and conferencing? How about a consolidated interface for instant messaging? What's more, your softphone features a versatile workgroup attendant console and can synchronize business contacts with Microsoft Outlook, as well as enabling searchable, company-wide click-to-dial to all your employees. Now you can utilize the same business class services you currently leverage within the office from anywhere in the world. One of the most powerful reasons to choose a hosted business solution is the ease with which you can expand your capabilities. The simple truth of the matter is that service evolution is accelerating. The ways we communicate, the tools we rely on today have improved dramatically. What's in store for tomorrow? What will your company's requirements look like? Because our hosted solution resides in the Service Cloud, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your communications infrastructure decisions today will not become an obstacle in the future. Each premium application you turn on comes pre-integrated with your existing service suite. Today, we offer the following: Auto Attendant, a powerful and easy-to-configure automated receptionist. Call Jump, a transparent service that allows you to transfer a call in progress from one device to another as you move between home, mobile, and office environments. Widgets, a collection of high-function, portable mini applications that allow you to launch and control some of your most frequently used communication services directly from your homepage or desktop.